Runstar sent this digital body scale for my review, and this thing is fantastic because if you know Runstar, you know what I'm about to tell you. These things are really well built, oversized, as you can tell. Look at this, really, really nice surface. Tempered glass, so it is sleek. It is glass, but it's tempered, so it's extremely solid. This has a capacity of 550 pounds, so you know you're good to go. And what I love the most is that it does come with the batteries. All you need to do is pull out the tab and the batteries are already in the product. Now, all you need to do is step on it until it turns on, just like that. And then once you get to 0, then step on it again. And when the scale, I'm gonna stop talking, flashes, you are set on your number. Super, super simple to use, obviously. I love that the numbers are really, really big, so I don't have to squint or anything like that. If I'm up above, I can see it right away. They do also have a unit mode, so you can go into stones, kilograms, or pounds. Yeah, this thing is fantastic. It's reinforced, and it is beautiful.